The task is to train an AI solution to detect and classify various threat objects. This is a multi-class object detection task. The classes are hammer, scissors, gun, and knife. Follow these steps to get started. Log into ReliUI and create a new session. Import the X-ray scan images. They will appear in the gallery. Add components and states to begin the annotation process. Use the polygon tool to annotate the images by drawing straight lines to define the regions of interest, then select the state. Alternatively, you can import annotated dataset. Click on Import Annotated Dataset and choose the Label Me format. Select BMP files and click Open. Double-click the folder to review the imported annotations. Navigate to the training page and click Start. For this task, choose Detection. Select the X-ray Threat Objects dataset. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters, and set the epoch value to 500 for this use case. Once the synchronization of data is complete, click Start Training. Monitor the training progress. As the model loss decreases, the map value will increase. Once training is finished, check the results on the Evaluation tab. Test your AI model using the Prediction tab by selecting the model and dataset. The prediction list will display labels and precision values for each image on the right. Take full control. Own your AI with ReliVision.